Hey, it's Savannah, and I'm going to be playing this game called Failing Bird. Let me get my mouse up. I have to concentrate on this. That's why I have to concentrate. Ooh, options. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. World scores. Empty. No one in the world has played this game. That's weird. I have to concentrate. As you can see, I'm terrible at concentrating. Okay. It's hit my wall. No fair. Let's play a different game. Oh yeah, that card right there, it's a card I got for my birthday. Just forget about the card. Nothing about the card. Poor card. This game is pretty fun. You can create a roller coaster and then you can ride it, but I'm not going to create one. I'm just going to ride someone else's. And just saying, I don't have gold. I only have Xbox Live. I've been begging my mom to get me Xbox Live Gold, but it never happened, sadly. If I get gold, then I can play other games with people. Oh, sorry. Once again, whenever I block the cam, I'm very, very sorry. My tablet just slid out of my legs. Ride? Ooh. Let's try this and then we'll pick up the others. I really hope you guys can see because this is a really cool game. Oh my gosh. Oh, hey, look, my legs. There's another person. I'm gonna move back. Another person. Another person. Another person. Another. Someone. Well, wait a second. That's my sister. That's my sister. I have a sister all the way in Minnesota, and her name is Winter. But I can't believe it. She's in this with me. That's not her. Is that her? No. This? Where did she go? Where did she go? No, not that. Did she fall out or something? If you override the seatbelts, this happens. You can fall out. I don't know why we didn't fall out, but we should fall out now. Yep. There we go. We fell out. Oh, hey, look, my legs. My beautiful feet. The thing is still going. I want to do this by my face. Where am I? Go forward. And if you don't know what my character looks like, this is the one in the Christmas looking outfit is the one which is mine. We can override the seatbelts. Change carriage. Oh, okay. Rotate the camera, I know that, blah, blah. So, let's go this way. Oh, what's under here? Stuff. That's what. Ready? Oh, we better put our seatbelts on. At first I thought I didn't put my arms up. Let's hide the menu. Well, now we're gonna return to the menu. Yes, return to menu. And then we're gonna go on a different one. Ride mode. Foggy Nightmare. Ooh, space elevator. Wonder what that is. Oh my gosh. Now I know why it's called space elevator. Ah, it's so fast. Are we gonna launch into space? Whee! Oh, we're coming in space. Oh my gosh, we're in space. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's the moon. It's the moon, I think. Is that the moon? I think it is, because, hey, there's the sun and the planets and some stars. Are we falling or anything? Yes, we are. Oh my gosh, this thing bounces high. Why is it bouncing? Oh my gosh, no. Hello, I'm upside down. Oh, wait a second. Oh, we're all knocked out. Oops. Now let's try a different one. If this kicks me out, it's because I only have the demo. So, let's do moon physics. I think this is a little too bright, but after this, I'm gonna end the video, but not now, after this one ride. Looks like it'll be a few minutes. Whee! Oh wait. What's the cam? Oh, we're spinning. Oh, that's cool. Whee! This must be scary in real life. Really, really scary. The screaming is my baby sister Zoe. In one of the videos, yeah. I made her laugh a lot. How long is this? Oh, yep. I have to exit the game. So that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Peace.